Hello, my YouTube friend. I'm back in the store. We're actually open because I slept in late today because I was exhausted. Rich messaged me yesterday after I paid him. He's like, you gotta keep one pop because he wants to have one of his pops in my collection. So he knows he's part of, I'm trying to get the world's largest collection. So he wants to know that something that he added to the collection is in my collection. So I have a few things I'm thinking about. So we have the 10-inch metallic Galactus. Absolutely love this one. I need to have that one in my collection. And then we have a Lesson in the Force set. This set is amazing. I just love how the water is cascading out of the ship. Oh, but those are both really big. So I don't think I can keep those today, but I definitely want them in the future. The other thing I really wanted was the Avengers Assemble set. I put them up there. I'm going to try to sell it as a set, I think for $240. That set, those are some of the nicest pops ever made. So I really want that set. But again, they take up a lot of room. So I also think that set's not going to go up in value, so I can wait on that set. But on the wall, I think this is the one. Right here, we have the Chase Stitch. This is one that I just absolutely love this one. I think this is the one that's going into the collection. All right, thank you, Rich. The problem coming into the shop when we're actually open is I didn't have a lot of time to clean up the trash. I just swept it up, gonna remove this trash, and then I gotta try to get rid of these boxes. Do you know where we put the Tom and Jerry's? Because I know Rose wanted those. Okay, so my neighbor Timothy, he brought in stuff to trade in, and he's here with his friend Josh. And then our regular Rose is looking for Tom and Jerry. So I can't get the Timothy stuff until I find Tom and Jerry. So Josh and Timothy are helping me find Tom and Jerry. This is awesome. Thanks, guys.
No problem.
All right, Josh found one and Timothy found the other. So success. All right, now I'm gonna go through Timothy's stuff. All right, James has arrived.
As I should. And we got the boys in the back.
Yeah. So James messaged me last night that he had to have this one. This is probably the coolest Miles out there. You excited to get him?
Hell yeah. This is one personally I want for my collection.
That one is dope. So that's a cool thing. If you watch my videos, you can always message me to put something on hold for you. All right, let me get through Tim's stuff. Let me see what Tim brought today. I think there's some really awesome stuff. So this is, Tim, what's the actor? It's Chris Sabat? Yeah, Chris Sabat signed that. That's awesome. It's got the JSA certificate on the back. So the voice of All Might signed that. That is super cool. Now, I watch it in dubbed usually, so I'm not dubbed, subtitled, so I'm not as excited for the voice actors. We got Orko. We have, oh, that's cool, the Bait Boba Fett. That one's actually really cool. I don't think I've seen that one before. Oh, I'm gonna be so tempted on that one. We got, oh, Bronze Medal Freddy. Limit 3,000 pieces, that's pretty neat. We have Moss Man. That one is super cool. We have the Flocked Beast Man. That one's really neat. We have the Flocked He-Man, where his shorts are flocked. That one's kind of funny. I love that one though. That one's cool. I actually don't know if I have that one. We have Roboto. That one is super cool. We have Man at Arms. Love that one. Oh, we have a original Triclops. That is really, really cool. Red Flintstone. I'll check in a second if that's the common or not. Okay, we have one large size Tiny Ghost. Okay, we have the Evil Pez. We have Merman. So it looks like the whole Motu set here, which is awesome. We have the Triclops with the con sticker. And we have the Hamburglar. We got the He-Man Slime Pit. Love that one. That one's awesome. We have She-Ra. Super cool. I need to get the original one. That's one of my high wants, but I think that one's over $500 now. Regular He-Man, or glow in the dark He-Man.
Yeah, that one's pretty cool. We have, yeah, no, this Flock glow in the dark. That one's probably newer, I think. We have Stratos.
Oh, that's actually
What year does this thing?
2020.
So, you know, like pandemic level, pandemic new. And then Battle Armor He-Man, that one is super cool.
Yeah, I got that one. I got Skeletor too.
Yeah, those are cool. Yeah, I love that stuff. All right, I got prices all out and let Tim know how much I owe him. So I heard Josh say Zombie Bill Murray, and I've been looking for this one. And it's been in my brain. I have to keep this one. So thanks for mentioning it, Josh. So I got all my regulars here. We're pulling out the bootlegs. I like sharing the bootlegs so people can learn. And it's really fun. It's crazy, right? That's what, like $10,000 worth of pops right there? Yeah. If you come in the shop, I'm happy to share the bootlegs. You just ask. All right, I got all Timothy stuff done. And we just keep talking and talking. It was really fun, but like I'm really tired now. I gotta go through my friend Sean's comics now. Got a pretty sweet pile here. So I'll probably put these on Pop Comics pretty soon. But yeah, these are awesome. And I am super excited because Sean is parting with this comic book, and this is for a guy that I'm trading with in Argentina. So I am thrilled to have that. Oh wow, and check this out. Batman number 100. That's pretty amazing. Okay, I'm gonna price these out and then find some other work to do. Right. I'm here with Lewis and Nick. Nick is trading in a whole pile of stuff. I think you're gonna mostly take store credit, I think. And I'm definitely going to add a few to my collection.
I have to pick this up for the collection. Vicious.
Oh yeah, that one's cool. Cowboy Bebop stuff is amazing. Yeah. So yeah, thank you for bringing this stuff in. It's awesome. All right, on to the next job. Right, it's a little past closing time, but I have a last-minute trade that came in. We have a Blacklight Joker, John Lennon, the Inasoke shirt. That's going to sell real quick. The Freddy Soda, I'm going to keep that one because he's just too cool. The Winged Dragon of Ra from Yu-Gi-Oh! The SSGSS Vegito, Clang, Geralt from The Witcher, Kyo with Cat. That one I'm keeping. I want to finish that set, so that one's awesome. It's a really cool double pop. We have Zenitsu from Demon Slayer. That one's a little bit beat up, but he'll sell. Another one of those. Another Geralt. Michelangelo, Blacklight Joker, Flock Knuckles, Saitama. That one's super cool. Loki and Kirito from Sword Art Online. So yeah, lots of cool pops. All right, it was a very long day today. I am tired, but it was a ton of fun. We bought a lot of stuff. We sold a lot of stuff. And I got a lot done. All right, thank you so much for watching. Bye.